Good morning, everybody. So today on Cooking with Kiowa, we're doing a crock pot dish. So we kind of looked through some of our videos that did really well last year and others that didn't, and it seemed like the crock pot, food preservation, those kind of meals did pretty good. So we're gonna do some more crock pot recipes this year. And one recipe or dish I've heard a lot about, but I've never actually cooked myself before. I've had it at Mexican restaurants, but I've never made it myself, is pozole. So you can get green pozole, you can get red pozole. We're doing green today, so we're going to be using green chilies. But you can do it the red variety too, just like enchiladas, green, red, whatever. Just depends on the sauce and chilies you use. So our pozole, we're doing everything in the crock pot. So we'll go ahead. We're doing chicken for ours. You can also, pork is also a common protein used in pozole. But we're doing chicken. Chicken is actually quite a bit cheaper now than beef. Especially lately. The prices of beef have gone up quite a bit. So trying to stick to the cheaper protein. And chicken is actually leaner than beef, so it's a little bit healthier too. But you definitely do pork as well. Got our chicken breast in there. Alright, now that I have that raw chicken off my hands, we're going to add the rest. So, we have 2 cans of white hominy. They are drained and rinsed, so that helps reduce the sodium content, since there wasn't any low sodium varieties of hominy. We're going to put our chilies in there. Yep, so we got green chilies. We have 1 can of fire roasted, so that's a little spicier. And then 2 of the mild. So we do have 1 spicy, 2 mild, so hopefully it won't be too spicy. Get it all out. Then we have our diced things over here. So we have some diced onion. We did about half of an onion. We have a diced poblano pepper. So poblano peppers are green peppers, and they're bigger. They're kind of like this big. They're kind of longer and skinnier than a bell pepper. But they're similar to a bell pepper in that they're not spicy. And poblano peppers are also really good peppers to do like stuffed peppers with. That's usually how I've done them. So they taste really good. We also have 1 jalapeno pepper in here and some garlic. So garlic, onion, a poblano pepper, and a jalapeno pepper. And once we get all of that in there, all we have left to do is add the stock. So I made 6 cups of chicken broth. Use that. We'll add that to our crock pot. Okay. I'm just going to get a spoon and mix it up. And then we'll add our seasonings. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of cumin, ground cumin. And we're going to just do a little bit of salt for taste. Okay. So now that we have all of our ingredients in here, except for our garnishes, that means the toppings, which I'll go over next. We can go ahead and put our lid on this, and we're going to cook it for 4 hours. Alright, so our pozole is done. We cooked it in the crock pot for 4 hours. We just got done shredding up the chicken. There's no pink in the middle, so that's a good sign that the chicken is done. And now it's ready to serve. So for our toppings, traditionally pozole, you might put radishes, maybe some lime, cilantro, some cotija cheese. So it's kind of up to you what you want to do for toppings, but this is the gist of it. Really quick and easy, sort of a green chicken soup. So thank you guys for turning in. Bye.
Bye.